What's up YouTube? Welcome back to the Khan Academy of Fashion. Today I'm going to teach you guys how to style the Balenciaga triple S's. A couple days ago I saw Emma Chamberlain wearing these and I was like, man, those are kind of dope. But then I kept looking at them and I came to my senses and realized those weren't it. I'm not going to spend $600 on a pair of dad shoes. But I'm going to do this video anyways because I feel like it can apply to most dad shoes. And maybe you guys can learn something here. I don't know. So I'm going to give you guys two looks because two is always better than one. But let's get right into the video. Starting off with look number one. This is a look that I'd probably go with. It's the oversized tee with the slimming pants. Either go with a slim or skinny fit jean or a slim trouser. And with the t-shirt, I just keep it pretty basic just because the $500 pair of shoes is supposed to be the main focus of the fit. I've really been liking this look and I think it could work with the Balenciagas. Especially if you want to add the Balenciaga tee, that would look really awesome. The oversized tee with the big shoes creates a more balanced look. The only problem is some people don't really like the slimmer pant combined with the bigger shoe, so that's why I give you guys option number two. Now before we get into the second look, just a reminder, it's cuffing season, so you better get your clout up fast and make sure you guys are keeping up on your urban projects videos. All the chicas are trying to cuddle by the fire and sip hot chocolate right now, you know. So make sure you guys go comment hashtag cuffing season in the comments below so I know who the real ones are. And while you're at it, just like the video and subscribe. But anyways, let's get right into the second look. Okay, so the second look is a bit more of a flex. This is going to let people know that you've been keeping up on your urban projects, videos, and that you've been keeping on top of those Khan Academy assignments and not turning them in a day late for half credit. Because we've all been there before. But this look reminds me of a more of a Jacob Wallace kind of look. Starting off with the pants, which is the biggest part of the look. Pick up a more baggy pair of pants like bell-bottom trousers where the bottoms of the leg is a little bit looser, or like a cutoff jean. This will make your legs look a lot less like chicken legs and more fitting to the look. Now on the tops, keep a little oversized with the t-shirts or add a jacket for some layering. Pretty much I'm realizing this is kind of like the first look but with a different pant. But I'm going to leave this in anyways, so you could add accessories. Some accessories include rings, big belts, and vests, which I could see Jacob Wallace wearing. But honestly, this shoe can be styled in so many different ways, which is a really big surprise because it is such a crazy shoe. But anyways guys, that's going to bring it to the end of the video. I hope you guys learned something because there's going to be a quiz on all this tomorrow.